Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 2 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, they're high demand, and they fit all the profitability metrics that we talked about. So I'm Nora. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. If you enjoy content such as these, where I do daily videos talking about passive income streams, revealing income reveals as well in terms of what I personally make, talking about strategies, tips and tricks, and also a daily update of carefully researched Amazon KDP keywords. So if you're interested in this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe in order to be notified on all our new daily videos. Now, the keywords that I'm going to talk about are carefully researched keywords. They're updated keywords. They're keywords that have been researched using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions. I'm going to go through and talk about the keyword research process as I reveal these keywords in order to help you do the exact same thing as I'm doing, and also do your own keyword research to reveal your own profitable KDP keywords as well. So before we get started, I have a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica. If you're interested, an all-access free trial that will give you access to KDP interiors, KDP keywords as well. That will give you access to a wide variety and collection of fonts, graphics to use in both your cover and your interior. So take advantage of that 30-day free trial if you're interested, and you can cancel before the 30 days is up if it's not something for you, and you will not be charged a cent. So let's dive into our 2 keywords for today's video. Our first keyword is a wonderful keyword, really profitable, as you can see right here. It checks all the boxes for profitability, and our keyword is a long tail keyword. And you know me, I love long tail keywords because they literally provide us with a foundation of where we need to get started. They reveal to us our audience, and they have so many different elements to help us get started on the right track. And our first keyword is office notebooks for work, professional hardcover. This is a beautiful long tail keyword. We have the types of books that we're creating. It's a notebook type of book. It's a low content type of book, and it's really rare nowadays to come across notebook types of KDP keywords where we have these wonderful results, as you can see right here, in terms of a really strong keyword niche score, total results within the expected data. Also a wonderful bestseller rank. It's quite rare as well, and it makes me super happy to share this with you today, and I highly recommend you take advantage of this. So office notebooks for work, professional hardcover. We have our audience. They're basically people who work in the office, and it's an office type of notebook, so it needs to be professional. The design needs to be professional. We need to have bold colors in there. We need to have a structure in terms of the notebooks as well. Maybe a planner. Also a calendar would be nice. Another thing is maybe like created a 2 or 3 year calendar overview as well for that. Another thing is it needs to be professional. One thing that we can do to dive in deeper is to create for certain types of work fields. So I know it says specifically work. We can make it for nurses. We can make it for receptionists, accountants also. And it would be wise for us to focus on office types of work. So what are the people working in office that require a notebook specifically? Accountants, we have financial managers, any of these kind of things. We can even create wonderful notebooks for them and customize the cover as well. So we have a really strong and solid keyword niche score by Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension of 83. Wonderful and fabulous, solid, green, ready to go. We also have a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro, giving us a number 7 for the keyword niche score, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Coming into the total results, which is our second factor, it is within that 1,000 range, and it is sitting at 1,623. Average bestseller rank is also a beautiful factor right here, which is averaging less than 400,000, preferably under 100,000, and it sits beautifully at 37,054. Average reviews are 627, and average price is $18.51. As we scroll down, we can see a couple of really good books that are selling quite well with a good bestseller rank. Also, now, although you can see the majority of these books are, types of books that are mainly sold by FBA Amazon, you can still really cater to self-published, independently published books, notebooks, but see what the most selling books are under the first page, what the bestseller rank is. You want to aim for a lower bestseller rank for each book, and then have a look at what you can do to stand out. Would you be able to offer the same quality but less price? Would you be able to offer more pages? So if a best-selling book, let's say, is 300 pages, would you be able to offer 400 pages? Would you be able to offer extra essentials in terms of the interior of the notebook? How organized and structured can you offer more better than it's what is offered in the market? And also, if you currently have any notebook that is professional, that's already published in your Amazon KDP portfolio, please go ahead and add this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots to get your book ranking for this wonderful keyword: office notebooks for work, professional hardcover. Now, with that being said, let's head over to our second keyword for the day. And our second is hardcover professional notebooks for work, 8.5 times 11. Beautiful. That again, long tail keyword, just the way we like it. It has a keyword niche score of 40. Total results are under 1,000, which is also wonderful, sitting at 393. Average bestseller rank is also below 400,000, below 100,000, which is exactly beautiful, the way we want it, averaging 22,495. Average reviews 1,548, and average price is $18.61. So it has all what we need to get started. It is a professional type of notebook that is for work, and it is a large print. So in terms of the sizing, 8.5 times 11 inches, please stick to that as well. Now, you can adopt the same strategy that we talked about, either niching down based on the types of work, and please focus on specific types of work that do require notebooks to be taken to work. Make sure that it is within the size limitation as well. And also, you can be able to add this wonderful keyword for any large print notebook that you have sitting in your Amazon KDP portfolio that's already published and already live. Go ahead and update the 7 keyword slots for this wonderful keyword. And these were the 2 keywords for today's video on notebooks. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.